Hi everyone, welcome back to the Edgewater Avenue YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making the Tegan top, which is a kind of sporty style, crisscross, tie in the back, adjustable bikini top. You'll see. For materials, you will need fabric, elastic, a seam ripper, a ruler, scissors or a rotary cutter, pins, a loop turner, and the pattern for the Tegan top. So the first step is cutting your pieces. You're going to cut two of this front piece, one in the lining and one in the outer fabric. Then you're going to cut your straps, which should measure 1 1/4 inch by about 35 inches, and you're going to cut two of those. Now take your front piece and match right sides together. You're going to sew along the bottom edge, the shoulder holes, and the neckline. At this same step, you're also going to attach elastic. As you sew, make sure that you're leaving the strap openings open, as well as the outer edges on both sides of the top. Later on, you'll see that we're going to tuck in those raw edges, which is why right now we're leaving them unsewn. You're also going to sew your straps, and to do this, you're going to fold them in half with right sides together and attach elastic. Once you've finished your straps, you're going to take your loop turner and turn them to the right side. Insert each of the straps into the top where the strap openings are located. Pin them down and then sew across. Now take the top to the right side through one of the open outer edges that we left earlier on. Once your top is to the right side, it's time to finish the strap channels. So to do this, you're going to tuck in the raw edges and flip over the outer edge about 1 inch in. Then, using a straight stitch, you are going to sew that channel down. Since it can be difficult to sew this part, I recommend starting from the middle of the strap opening instead of starting at the very edge. That way it will prevent your machine from eating up too much fabric or causing some sort of malfunction. So now that our strap channels are done, we can use a loop turner to thread the straps through, and I'm doing mine crisscross style. And here is the final result. Thank you very much for stopping by the Edgewater Avenue YouTube channel today. If you like the Tegan top and you want to see some more photos of it, please visit edgewateravenue.com or visit us on Instagram at edgewaterave. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you next time.